Well, hey there. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name is Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader. Here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Today, got a little bit of a different type of video for you today, but man, let me tell you something. This chart is gorgeous. We're looking at Tesla, guys. Elon Musk, you are the man. This chart is beautiful, especially from an Elliott wave perspective. An Elliott wave trader, guys, the guy that applies Elliott wave theory. And all that is we look at the market through a lens of 5s and 3s. Put those together in known structures from Elliott wave theory, and we get a sense for where price might go. It's a really, really good analysis of the way price moves if you study wave structure. Guys, if you don't study wave structure, I'd love to teach you all about it in my Discord. Certainly, you can find free information out there. I've even got a free Trading Night School playlist that a lot of people start with, but love to have you in the Discord. All my updated course is so much better. So come on into the Discord. You're missing out if you're not there. With that said, guys, let's just look at Tesla. It's looking gorgeous, guys. I mean, it is over the next several years. We stand to definitely go up and make higher highs in price. The way I'm looking at this wave, basically, guys, we look at this all as a wave 1 and a corrective wave 2. Now, I'll talk about a contingency plan with that wave 2 in just a moment, but this is looking like a nice 1-2 off the bottom of a correction, looking for a wave 3, 4, 5, pull back, and then we keep going, okay? So that's kind of the way I would expect price to start moving. Now, it may not go exactly as I've drawn it right there. It's impossible to identify perfect wave structure, but you get the idea. That's what we're looking for, 5s and 3s. Let me show you just this Elliott wave count, just starting right here. You'll see a beautiful 5-wave move. You got 1, 2, you got a wave 3, 4, and wave 5. It's a beautiful proportionality. Everything looks gorgeous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an Elliott wave impulse, okay? Then when we zoom in and we look at what's ensued after that, what you'll notice is you see a 3-wave move, okay, to the downside. We had 3 back to the upside, and now we had boom, 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 3 waves to the downside. That's what we call a double zigzag or a WXY correction. That's a beautiful correction. When you put the fibs on it and you look at the extension, okay, when you look at the extension of where that price, oh, let me try that again. Boom, there we go. Boom, boom, boom. You wonder where boom, boom, boom came from, guys? It's 3 waves. It's 3 clicks. It's there's so many threes. I just say boom, boom, boom. That's I need to have a T-shirt that says boom, boom, boom in my merch. Anyway, we've got 3 waves right there. It came down to a beautiful 1414 extension, okay? Not only do we see a beautiful extension of that wave, we see a pullback. You can see I've got the fib retrace tool on there. We've pulled back to the golden zone. We actually got to the 786 retrace of the entire move. That is absolutely gorgeous. We got an impulse off of that. And now what's happening, let's zoom in just a little bit on the 15-minute chart. You'll see what I'm talking about here. There we go. We got an impulse off the top, and we're getting that looks like a 3-wave pullback. Okay, where do I expect that to go, and where would I want to place my buy orders? Well, if I wanted to place buy orders, I'd be watching 155. Let's see. Let's also put the retrace tool on that sucker right there. I would want buys anywhere in this range right here, guys. If price comes, I'd start laddering in to a long position all the way down to here. I would stop that position out if price broke this low, or this idea would be invalidated per Elliott wave if this low gets broken. So if price comes on down and breaks this low, doesn't mean price won't come back to you and you can get out at a break even. In fact, a lot of times you'll bounce. You'll break the low and then it'll bounce, and then you could stop the trade out or hold it for a little bit and see if it goes on up for you. Sometimes you get a final hit to the low, but really, in my experience with the standard stocks, guys, this is just gorgeous. This is buy zone for me, man. This is buy zone, 3-way pullback. Here we go. I would watch the I've got a strategy using the RSI. I'd watch it on the daily. I'd watch it not only on the daily. Yeah, the daily would be a good place to watch it. Watch for a structure change of the RSI. You'll notice the previous structure changes. For instance, there was a daily trend and it broke structure right in here. So that was a buy in there on the daily. You'll notice that you had a nice trend right here of this move to that. Once that broke right in here, you had a buy right in here as well. And now it's gotten overbought and three waving back down. Once that three wave is finished, look for it to break structure again. You can see it better maybe on the 4-hour chart. I would basically be watching a break of this structure right there, back to the upside, retest. Give me some divergence down here. Let's go. We don't necessarily have to have the divergence, but in fact, we already have hidden bullish divergence on the chart now. So anyway, Tesla, guys, looking gorgeous. Where would I project price to go? Where would I say, okay, Jim, where's price going if Tesla actually ends up going? Well, let's see. If that's a wave 1 and that's a wave 2, the way generally we project prices, we look for I would say the 1-to-1 is a no-brainer. Okay, that we should definitely be watching the 1-to-1 extension right here, $512. So if you're getting in here, guys, down here $163, you sell at $512. I mean, you 4x your money. Okay. Now that being said, I see larger targets. I would basically call this a 1, 2. Eventually, we'd want to see price get up here to $1,100. Okay, and higher. So this is where price is going. If as long as price stays on the trajectory of Elliott. And so we have ways of, as you study Elliott, we have ways of invalidating counts and invalidating ideas. And this is what we call an Elliott idea based on the wave structure that we're seeing. This is something that we would want to trade, and I've just shared my trade setup with you. All right. Well, with that said, guys, Tesla's looking fantastic for years to come, over the next decade, guys. If you get in $163, guys, and over the next decade it goes to $1,200. I mean, you can do the math, can't you? That's 1,000 times your money. All right. Well, you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Bitcoin, just a word on Bitcoin. Here's the deal. It's still roller coastering, still trying to find a bottom. We haven't found it yet. We're teetering on a structure change right now. So I'll bring an update on Bitcoin tomorrow, maybe if I have time. Now, if you want live streams and daily updates in the morning and in the evening on the wave structure that Bitcoin is making, and you want trade setups based on Elliott wave theory, as well as many other theories many other technical analysis features that we use in our Discord. I'd love to teach you my trade setups based on Elliott wave. I'd love to teach you how I trade, how we manage our risk. I've got a great course for that. It's worth $40 for 1 month. If you're not happy with it, just let me know. We'll give you your money back as always. All right, guys. Love you. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Show me some love back in the comments, would you? Have a great day. Bye-bye.